What are we gonna go look at right now?
A backhoe.
A backhoe loader. There it is right there. All right.
There might be no key in the car. There's no key.
No key? Can you see?
You take all yellow. You come in. That's key.
Well, here, let's see if he can get up here.
I don't know how to.
You can put your foot up here.
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So this is a Caterpillar.
What?
That's the name of the company. Caterpillar backhoe loader. Oh, you can go in if you want.
Oh, I am guilt. I'll make it in.
Okay, I got you.
There's no key.
Well, that makes sense, right? Should it have a key? Then anybody could drive it. You don't want to drive it.
No, it does not have key.
There's tools.
I have to do.
Here, have a seat.
No.
You don't want to sit on it? Why not?
No, I want it out from my 918.
Oh, you don't like tape?
Yeah, my key.
Oh, where does the key go? Can you show me where the key goes over there?
And no putting in key. And no key wallet.
No, I know, but where does it go? In those controls, you can turn the seat around and do both sides. Control the backhoe and then the loader part.
Let's look at the back. Whoa! There's water in it.
Oh, look at that. Maybe it rained yesterday, huh?
Yeah.
That's a big scoop.
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, look at that water. You have something for, I guess, to keep the mice out here. So. Hey, look, there's a quarter. Very cool. This is where the gas goes. Are you ready to get a donut?
Yeah!
Did you have fun looking at the backhoe loader?
Yeah!
All right, can you say bye to everyone?
Bye!
You good?